Hi, it's Tina from Ideas and Embellishment, and this thing is getting so chunky, so chunky. I did just add this picture on one page just because it really is getting chunky. This is a digital from Barbara at 49 Dragonflies in one of her planner kits, and I love it. I just love it. I think it's really pretty. Did I do anything else? I did this. This is a mixed media page, and all I did was I took this as a tag that I found in some scrapbook paper, and I just made a little folder out of some Tim Holtz paper, put a little pocket, and stuck it in there. So that's all, with a little sentiment that says, enjoy the little things. So, and I'll do a flip through, but I thought I would do a couple of really simple things. One of the things I wanted to do is do a scrapbook layout here, and then on the other side, maybe a simple pocket page. So that's what I'm going to do. And I wanted to do just a scrap pad, just to be able to have some journaling space. So maybe just something in there, and that's easy, and that's something that you probably would want in a journal. And I maybe could do it as a waterfall. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my tried and true paper here. And I know that it needs to be, I know that I want it to cover that, so I know it needs to be at least 4. So I'm going to cut some paper down. The dogs are down there, and they are. One more day. Tomorrow. So I'm just going to grab some of this, and I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to do 2, and I'm going to cut it into 4. So hopefully Leo will be cooperative. So this would be like that. Yeah. And then the length is going to be, I think we said 5 and I'm going to say maybe down to here. And we could just leave it just like this and have a nice little scrap pad to play with, to put here, which would be an easy thing for a journal. Really easy, just to put something like this and have it has a journaling spot. The other thing you can do is make it as a waterfall. I don't know if I want to do that, but all you need to do with that is score them at a 1/2 inch, usually a 1/2 inch or a 1/4. And we can do that. Let's do that. Where's my, I'll just use my little one. Of course, we're going to have to figure out how to, we'll just do one at a time. So I'm going to do maybe a 1/4 inch. Here. And then we just take this and pop it down. And we'll just hold it like this and just pop it down. You want it to be straight. Looks pretty straight. Okay, then do the next one. And then close that down here. Hopefully I'm in frame. And then this one like this. That's why the first one really needs to be straight. And then we just keep going. Until you get it as long as you want to get it. You won't really be able to see a whole lot of that up there. But when you bring it down like this, it'll be like you can fix it. So see, I think that's all we'd be able to get on there. It's just 3. And then I'll take this and I will cut it off a little bit right here. And there. And then just glue that down here like this. Or I could tape it, whichever. Yes, so and there that is. So then you have this. And if you want to put an embellishment on the top, sometimes it might be nice to put a little bit of embellishment on the top. Maybe I think maybe a good idea would be to get a piece of washi tape, and this is kind of, I think I like this. I'm gonna put this on there and put a little bit of glue, and that kind of looks cool. And then tear it. So it just kind of like, there you go, place the journal. All right, easy peasy, one down, one easy thing to do. I have a poll up on the community tab where I have these books, just so you guys know. I have a whole stack of them, but this is the 4 that I thought of the first. This is the kitten who thought he was a mouse, the Pokey Little Puppy, Little Golden Book About God, and then a wedding book. So far, we got the Pokey Little Puppy coming in, and it looks like that's the one that's going to be, and I have already gotten some scrapbook paper. So for that, so we have this, and now I'm going to do another easy peasy page for the other side. It's gonna be, these are quick. So let me see if I can find some scrapbook paper. I think I'm gonna use this one. Just cause it kind of goes with everything. And I'm gonna cut this down so that it's 8.5 by 11. Maybe this way. This is fine. It's actually not 8.5 by 11. Well, I could do 11. I wanted it to be the, I messed up because I wanted it to be all like this way. This way. Easy peasy. You take this, you fold it, hold it like this, and just kind of fold it like this. Okay. Just kind of kitty corner like that. Then you come across like this. How many? I want it to be at least 4 1/4. So that's 4 1/2. It needs to be 4 1/4. So I'm going to pull it back a little bit. This ought to work. Like this. And then over here like this. And then you want to cut this off. Where's my scissors? Like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here with my scorched timber. I'm going to kind of grunge it up a little bit. And I'm going to ink around all the edges. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm not excited about the boys leaving. I'm excited about the dogs leaving. So I think what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to open it back up. And I'm going to kind of grunge this up. Now that I kind of know where these things are, I'm going to kind of grunge it up a little bit. I want to put some here. Get me. This is Distress Oxide. So it will make this really cool oxide effect. I don't know, can you see that? See how it kind of gets all cool and gray and grungy? All right, let's grunge this up a little bit more with some coffee. Maybe some more of this. Where is that? Here. As you know, hey, it's an easy fold, but why not make it kind of cool and grungy? All right, so make this all oxided effect and stuff. All right, I'm gonna dry this. Okay, I'm back. And so now we need to just fold it back up again, like we did before. How did I do that? I did it like this, and I did it like this, and then this goes in there. So that is really cool, easy, grungy pocket. Now look, if you want to, this says it's slow to happen here. You can cut it off right here so that it's even, like this. And that would have been defeated the whole purpose of that thing, right? But there. So then you have this. Okay. Now it would just go like this, and I'm going to put something else up here. I don't know what. Maybe another piece of this just to go up here. Probably would be a good idea. I have extra. I'm going to put this here like this. Actually, what I'm going to do, that's gonna, so it's the same width. Let me use this. Oh, you know what? That's upside down. No upside upside down letters. And then this will go like that. How awesome is that? I think, you know what I might want to do? Nah, it's cool. I'm just going to leave it just like that. So you just want to make sure that you don't close that up. So I'm going to go here. And I think I'm also going to put a little bit of glue right in here to close that up right there so it doesn't go all the way through like that. Now I found some old stuff that I had. I don't know if it'll fit in here. It doesn't look like it will. Nope, won't fit. Oh well. I have this one that I'm gonna stick in there, and then I have this little thing, which is one I made that's got a little. We'll stick that in there. I just need one more little. Let me see what I got. I got an idea. How about one of these old postcards? This should fit in there. There. So that's an easy way to make a pocket for your journal. And it looks really cool. And then I think what I'm going to do, just because, is put a label on it. Like a label. Somewhat like that. Actually, I like this one. That one's kind of cool looking. Or maybe because it's black. I don't really have a black one. Oh, I have these black ones. I have this black one. This might be cool on it. I think maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that one on. I don't know where it came from. But I'll put that on there. Very cool. So that is that. So we have 2 pages. We have a waterfall for journaling, which looks like this got stuck. That's okay. And a pocket. And there's only a few more in here. Oh, I also added this, just a little pocket here with a envelope that you can write on. I'll put that there. It's just trying to, and this is from Sunflowers and Doors. It's one of her digitals. And on this one, I really like that picture, so I just stuck this here to write on. So, I don't know. Should it be finished and just let somebody else have these 3 pages? Should I tear them out? No, part of me thinks maybe I should just tear them out. It's getting kind of big. So, or maybe just leave it. I don't know. What do you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think I should do. If I should go ahead and keep working in it, let it go, or call it done, because it's getting kind of, I don't know if anybody would even want it, just chunky. But thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.